in Kings Deer, Monument, Colorado, one of my favorite communities in Colorado. It's a golfing community. We're looking at a recent install of a presidential shake made by Certainteed. This is a Certainteed Presidential Shake impact resistant shingle. The color is Autumn Blend. Just a gorgeous color, especially on this home that has two tones on the siding color. Gorgeous. This particular product is the ridge cap is a Certainteed Cedar Crest IR ridge. Really makes this roof pop. Love those windows in the back. Look at all the different colors and the variations in the shingle. Just a lot of coloration in it. With that close-up we had earlier, there were the browns, some blues, and some grays. Just a gorgeous shingle. On this particular home, we're above 7,000 feet in Colorado. The Springs area, and Pikes Peak requires that we install ice and water shield on the perimeter. Just so you guys in Colorado know that's very important. We actually installed 38 squares of ice and water shield on the house and on the garage on this product. Also, if you notice up close on this particular home with the trim, we installed brown drip edge on the entire home. We had to install a lot of new head wall flashing because the homeowner at the same time was installing new siding. That's hardy plank siding in the home. So we have a lot of new 4x5 head wall flashing on this product. And then on this, if you notice, we have some ridge vent on this house. That's why when you look at the ridge line, it's extended in the height. Hey, there's somebody's beautiful brown chocolate lab. Here's this color again, the Presidential Shake Autumn Blend.